What's up everyone, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is a speed test between the Mi A1 and the Samsung On7 Prime. These are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now I'll start the solo speed test where I open these 20 applications on both the phones individually and you can see which phone opens them faster. By the way, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the apps have been updated to the latest version. Even both the phones are running the latest version of their operating systems, where Mi A1 is based on Oreo and Samsung On7 Prime is based on Nougat. So let's see how they perform. Purely based on benchmark scores, Mi A1 is more powerful. So let's see how they perform. So guys, Mi A1 was 62 seconds faster than Samsung. That's really a huge number. But is there really such a huge difference between both the phones? Let's find out in the next regular speed test. Now in this regular speed test, I'll open the first 16 applications on both the phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast that phone actually is. So guys, in the regular speed test, Mi A1 is faster, but except for the Subway Surfers game, Samsung was behind Mi A1 just by few milliseconds or a second at max. So even though there was a huge difference in the solo speed test, in actual day-to-day usage, you might not notice much difference in terms of performance, except for games. Now let's see which of these apps are still in memory. In this memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. By the way, I have the 3GB RAM variant of the Samsung On7 Prime and Mi A1 comes with 4GB of RAM. Yeah, it seems unfair, but even 3GB of RAM should be sufficient to keep all these apps in memory. Now let's see how they perform. So guys, in the memory management round, once again Mi A1 is the winner. It has good memory management. Samsung is not just the loser. Memory management on Samsung is just average. It couldn't even keep 12 applications in memory. With that said, Response time while retrieving apps from memory was same on both the phones, so that's a good thing about Samsung. Now with that said, the Samsung On7 Prime might slow down in the future just like the Samsung S8. That's to be seen. Now that the memory management is done, I'll open the last 4 games on both the phones so you can see how slow Samsung is when it comes to games. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy either of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag #GreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.